This animal yawning right now is a small flying squirrel. Flying squirrels belong to the squirrel family and are mainly found in countries like China, Russia, and Japan. They have thick, fluffy fur, exaggeratedly large eyes, and delicate eyeliner, so cute it's almost unfair. In some places, people even keep them as pets at home. What's special is that although they're called flying squirrels, they don't actually fly. However, they have a unique membrane of skin that extends from the neck to the tail. When stretched out, it works like a tiny parachute, helping them glide between trees. They can glide as far as several dozen meters. Because of this, they almost never come down to the ground to collect nuts. They only eat fruits and tender buds from trees, just like a little spoiled princess. And here's the amazing part. In summer, their fur is yellow or gray, but in winter it turns silvery white. That's why flying squirrels from different regions can look different in color. They are naturally active and playful, and they enjoy being close to humans. They'll play right in their owner's hands, a very gentle and docile little animal.